Are you frustrated because QuickBooks keeps losing your information? You're not alone. I've got a super simple fix that can save you hours of frustration. If you ever thought, wait, I just entered these transactions yesterday. Where do they go? I totally get it. The problem isn't always QuickBooks. It is often your browser. Browsers like Edge and Chrome are designed to run as fast as they can. So when you visit a site, it saves pieces of that site so it can load it quicker next time. But QuickBooks is a live system, and if your browser remembers something it shouldn't, like all transactions or settings, it can cause big headaches. The fix? Incognito Mode. When you open an incognito window, it's like giving your browser a fresh brain. It doesn't remember anything. So, when you log into QuickBooks, you see what's really there. Know all the info, no glitches. If you use GoDaddy, Shopify, Wix, and even Facebook, using Incognito Mode could also help you with glitches. So here's my biggest tip. Always, always, always use Incognito Mode when working in QuickBooks Online. It is the easiest way to avoid those glitches, lost transactions, and wasted hours. Trust me, this habit will save you a ton of frustration. If this helped you, please like and share. Let's help people avoid these headaches.